practice yesterday at the Cuneta. Here are our fans here. 100 to 98 the count, 37.3 remaining. Ginebra will use as much clock as possible. There's jostling for position against Story. Each one with a 30 and a 12 to use. No, 24-second shot clock catching up. Now.
I was really surprised that Story didn't get a touch of that leather. They made full use of the 24 seconds. But Story did not touch that basketball for Ginebra. Instead, they would allow Rain or Shine to tie or win this game with a three-pointer with only 12 seconds left here in the fourth.
Yung maliit na tao na yun na pumasok sa bahay. Pwede ba pumasok sa bahay namin yun araw-araw para, you know, happy things. Ang ating kaibigan ng first aid ng bahay mo, Banzo, Sealed Zone, ang bilis mo magtrabaho.
Sipag, ha?
Now, Rain or Shine needs a stop here.
They had a nice play to cut the lead to 2 points. Entry pass to Jai Lewis and a weak side cut from a teammate to cut Ginebra's lead to only 2. Ginebra's over the limit.
Rain or Shine with something to give.
Yes.
It could be useful. It could be.
One defensive stop away from finalizing a big come from behind here.
Or an overtime game.
Yep.
Either of two.
Both teams trying to go up to 3-1 and tie San Miguel and Coca-Cola for the second spot.
Somehow with the format kasi you have to collect as many W's as possible.
If you want an auto semi slot,
Yep.
you're looking at least 12 wins to get to that spot.
But come into a good position with the quarterfinals like what happened to Pure Foods. And okay, well here.
If you're given the opportunity to get more wins early in the tournament, of course, you'll take it. Dahil meron din tayong mahabang break pagdating ng April 22 hanggang 26. Hindi tayo maglalaro noon.
Our technical committee is trying to determine something, and game will continue. Twelve seconds remain. Kung minsan itong mga lal na ganito, it favors somebody.
Yes. Saka mahirap sa mga players yan dahil ang taas na nung adrenaline mo.
I call it literally umuusok pa yung mga yan eh.
At nakaplano ka na kung ano yung gagawin mo.
Ramel Cruz, of course, technical committee chief. Is it a shot clock issue? Is it a game clock issue? Boy Lapid asking for clarification. I can hear John Wichiko's voice actually. I think we can get this inbound going. In the meantime, I think it's a resetting of the clock. Parang nagre-rewind yung oras. Sana ang buhay gano'n.
Official time remaining 13.3 seconds in the fourth quarter.
Seems like an eternity.
Yes, especially for Coach Caloy, they were in a very comfortable position in the first 3 quarters.
It's not just the lead really, Ronnie. It's really the momentum, the flow of the game. He never was shooting nothing but blanks.
Yep.
The backcourt was not producing anything until probably and arguably that turning point when there was that technical foul on Sol Mercado.
Yes.
We're not blaming Sol, but it was a turning point. The mood of the game seemed to have changed at that point.
And gave Ginebra enough energy to really turn things around. Of course, the story really.
Oh yes,
the biggest
no
factor here
question
for
about
Ginebra,
it.
playing the best game so far for any reinforcement here in this present conference.
And probably hurting as well. So quite a courageous stand. Which team will be happier on the flight home tomorrow? That is the question. delay of game warning, which is traditional usually in these close situations. Timeout. And that could be the last.
Jeff Chan just wouldn't gamble.
Yep. And I guess
giving up a pass there with the passing lanes covered.
we'll call a full timeout and you'll be back very quickly. 100 to 9 with Kirk count, 13.3 seconds remaining, and that remaining time has seemed to have been stuck there forever. Excuse me, rain or shine, hoping to inbound, but utilizing that timeout, their very last timeout. Oh, aray mga kabataan, no? Sabi ng mga mama, oh, arakas TV, oh! Sabi naman ng mga matatanda, okay lang kami. Pero yun pa rin, matatanda ang mga masasaya ko. What I get a kick out, pagka ginawa gayway yung bata. Ano yung bata? Tarpaulin? Ano
Hindi. Ang gustong sabihin doon lugar lang.
Iwagayway. Crucial inbound. Either the win or a tie.
Yep.
A little too long. Lewis thinking. It's the shot.
Oh.
They ran out of time.
Couldn't even get the shot.
What a comeback.
Yeah, in the
What a
nick of
comeback.
time. Ginebra with a big defensive stop to finally get this big come from behind win, and they will climb up to 3-1. They have to thank really Story for having a big game. 40 points and 25 rebounds and this huge comeback.
Oh boy, what a performance by Story and what a meltdown by Rainer Shine.
Yes.
Control of the basketball game for the 3 parts of the way and just lost the handle on it. And take nothing away from Barangay Ginebra. They didn't give up until the very end.
We have to give it to Coach Jong Chico, who kept calm, kept his composure, kept his trust for the rest of his team. And of course, Arby Story had a lot to say in this big win by Ginebra, 40, 25 and 2. Chris pumping and all. They'll go home happy tomorrow.
That's the moment. And tomorrow is your birthday. Happy birthday.
Thank you very much.
Very young 54-year-old. In behalf of our solid team here in Victorious, we'd like to extend the invitation for you to join our Ninoy Aquino Stadium team tomorrow for Santa Lucia and Talk and Text in Alaska against San Miguel. We have Barb, it's our team here. Seb Sarmento saying good night. We'll see you soon. Damo salamat gid sa pagupot sa amon diri sa Bongsa. Doon sa aton sa Victoria. Katangwas, Ninoy Aquino sa tuloy diretso ba ang atong PBA.
Any better than this? What a blow!